Now indeed, friends, good morning. So, what are we doing today? Well, I'd say we're gonna go look at a train bridge from the movie Stand By Me. That bridge is still in existence. It is just a bridge though. There's no more train tracks over it. It's been decommissioned, and to my knowledge, the iron has been pulled a long time ago. The McLeod Railway used to own a solid swath of that. I believe they owned the locomotive as well. It's been sold. The track is all gone. They used to have some old dinner cars because they used to run a dinner train up there and a Halloween thing, all from the locomotive pulling all the passenger cars. Long time ago. It's all gone. I was fortunate enough to get to do a dinner train once. It was beautiful. So we got nothing to do, so we're gonna load up the dog, my daughter and I. Wife's out of town, so nobody tell us no. We're gonna go on a road trip and go see the bridge. I've never been there. It's only about an hour from the house, so be nice and cool up there. It's 84 degrees down here. So we're gonna get to charging, and we're gonna have a good time. We'll see you guys in just a few. Buenos nachos. What do we got here? I don't know, 8:54. Car was all set up to precondition and fully charged. It's been a minute since we've done 100% charge, so ran it up to a hundo. Let the battery management system recalculate. Bozo here, bozo there.
Bozo there.
Bozo here. So we're headed to Lake Britten. What do we got, Aspen? What does the Neva computer say?
An hour and 18 minutes.
66 miles with a projected arrival of 71%. So we'll go up there, check out the bridge from Stand By Me, the train bridge, the infamous bridge. I did not bring a comb to drop, but I'm also not a fat 9-year-old, so we'll check in with you guys here in a little bit. Highway we've never been up before, Highway 299 for you geographical nerds. Take us into Burney and out into the mountains up there. Historical significance out that way too. Clint Eastwood has done multiple movies up there. Firefox, the entire valley was the backdrop, and Fall River Brewery is housed up there. A lot of pretty cool stuff going on up there. Oh, and Clint Eastwood owns like a 5,000 acre ranch up there. It's impressive. So we'll check in with you guys here in just a little bit. Cooper, again, happy birthday, sir. See you shortly. Alrighty, so let's see here. Trips. 42 miles from the house, and we burned 16 kilowatts at 383 watt hours per mile. A lot of techno babble stuff. So those numbers are not like wonderful, but we're going uphill. We just came flying past the 3,000 foot mark, on our way up to about 4,200, I think. Again, from 500 feet AGL or MSL, mean sea level, whatever, airplane terms. We've got 18 miles to our first turnoff onto Highway 89, and a total of 29 minutes to go till we get to the bridge. And the other day, there was a new update came out, or a recall, as NHTSA likes to call it. And this one addressed a little bit of phantom braking, apparently. I have had none this trip. And this is a 2-lane road, as you guys have seen. Every single time a tractor or a big truck pulling a trailer comes by, this thing would launch you right out the window, all Falcon 9 style. And we haven't even had so much as a hiccup. So if that was in the update, that's fantastic. Rumored is it was, but the autopilot has been flawless on this entire trip so far. Now, granted, some of this I was hands-on because I like being in control through the mountain, through all the twisty roads, just because there's a little more slop in my driving. The autopilot's a little more precise. I like to roll the vehicle out a little bit. Tesla likes to keep itself in the center of the lane no matter what. So we'll catch up with you guys here in just a little bit, just a little mid-trip how's it going and where we're at right now. So we'll see you guys shortly. Guys, we made it. Check this out. It probably looks huge in the GoPro here because of the wide angle lens, but this thing's, I don't know, the length of a football field. And then there's Lake Britten right underneath it. Let's see what we can do here without killing ourselves. Ugh. Here's where they jumped off the bridge as the train came. And you can see that there's been a little bit of movie magic done. This was probably built up because no 9-year-old is going to jump from there. Although it could have been over here where they hit the ground, and this is where the train tracks used to go through, but that's all been tore up. So there is some writing on the iron up there, but yeah, it's pretty much just the same as it looked in the movies, minus the locomotive that's not coming. And over here on the other side, we can actually get across it over here. Ugh. There we go. Now we're on the railroad tracks. Well, the bridge. So yeah, made it up here. We'll take some pictures and get those uploaded, but this is Lake Britten. That's the bridge that we came across, and then it switched us back onto the dirt road up here. So kind of a neat little adventure. We're gonna head further up north into McLeod, have lunch up there, hit a supercharger in Mount Shasta, then come I-5 all the way back. So hang out with us, guys, and we'll get some more road here in just a few. Time to change couches. Mountain driving is a lot of fun. Everybody should experience it. So that was Lake Britten, and the bridge will stand by me. Very cool. I know, right? So of course we're gonna go home and watch the whole train scene part, just because now you got a point of reference on, hey, I was there, which is very cool. And it is a lot smaller than it looks in the movie, you know, hence the term movie magic. So we're heading into McLeod, which is about a 40-minute run north of here. Go find, holy crap, go find something to eat. And Mount Shasta is literally going to be on the way back to the house, so we may not even actually need to hit the supercharger.
Yeah, I think we might,
because it's all downhill. So we'll take a look when we get there. So for now, some lunch, some new road that we've never been on in the car. I used to come up through here every couple of weeks in my previous JOB, so it's been many years since I've been out this way. We'll flip you around. Enjoy. The McLeod Candy Company.
You are accurate. I try my best.
It is so freaking cool, man. It's like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. I don't think I've ever done a video for breakfast or what we're eating, but what'd you get?
Fruit waffles.
And a good old classic biscuits and gravy. So that Willy Wonka's candy store was pretty cool. I didn't know if the girl wanted me to video anything, so I kept it kind of just chilling there. But it was like walking into the candy store in Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. Mr. Handsome Man here, he's doing real good, and it is so beautiful up here. But the sad thing, it's an old mill and train town. Everything's gone. The train cars got sold off last year. The iron's all gone everywhere. It's just kind of sad that the historical aspect is no longer here. So we're going to finish up breakfast. We finish our coffees from a little coffee shop in there as well, and then we're going to hit the road, and we're going to forego the supercharger. Definitely don't need it. It's all downhill, so we'll just regen the battery, and why pay 40 cents a kilowatt hour if you don't have to? So we'll see you guys on the way back down the hill. I should have got this when we left McLeod after having breakfast. By the way, was that good?
It was delicious.
It was really good food. So we left at 52%. We have gone 33 miles from when we were there, and we're at 49%. That is how awesome downhill running is. It's either been neutral power or regen almost the entire 33 miles. Getting out of McLeod, there was about an 8-mile uphill run, but after that, I mean, we basically used no energy to get this far. So electric cars, man, I'm telling you, are fantastic. So we are just about back to the house. We've got about 25 minutes till we get there. So just want to say thanks again for hanging out, guys. You have fun?
Yeah, good time.
The bridge was very cool. It's totally worth the drive to see a piece of movie history out there. I'm glad it's still there, and there's little references, little graffiti references to the movie out there. So it's very cool to see all that stuff. We may plan another trip up here. There's some caverns that you can go through. There's a set of waterfalls that you can go check out as well. So we may come back up here in the summer, because when it's 118 in Redding, it's only 108 up here. So, you know, got to get out of that valley heat. So again, guys, appreciate everything, and we should probably get home. The highway should level out here. We'll probably make it home with 43% left in the battery, somewhere in there. No big deal at all. So we'll see you guys on the next one. And like always, I really appreciate all of you. Happy birthday. What's his name? Cooper. I knew I would remember it. Have a great day, my friend. We'll see you guys on the next one.